we basically cover PV testing, electrical installation testing, charger testing, and battery testers. In the solar testing, we have products that let you do the basic open circuit voltage, short circuit current, and allow you to measure the environmental conditions and then scale the results so that you can compare with the manufacturing specifications. Basically, it's about compliance. So at the end of the day, they want to make sure at the commissioning stage that the system is performing as it would. So a 10 kilowatt system is within, say, 5% of its rating as part of the contractual arrangement. The more advanced testers from Metrel will also do the IV curves, where again it's a performance-related measurement. So these sort of entry-level testers that this one goes up to 1500 volts, 25 amps. We're looking at about $5,000. It comes as a kit with the radiance and temperature meter, a clamp meter to measure power, and then something like this where it does the IV curves and goes up to 40 amps at 1500 volts. You're looking at about $11,000, and they also cater to bifacial panels that pick up light from behind the panels. So then we have something that's interesting here while we're at it. It's not a model, it's actually an educational tool. So it's a real functioning EV that, there's not much knowledge in how to repair electric vehicles. So here, maybe a TAFE or someone like Telstra or whoever might be teaching their own staff on how to electrically check for safety and operationals. So with that, it has programmable faults, and the idea is that the student would go in and diagnose those faults using test equipment. So it's got a battery. It's safer than a real EV because it's only 40 volts rather than 400 or 800 volts. And it's small and compact that you could have in a classroom or in a workplace. Yeah. Then we have something like this. Again, it's an educational tool that a TAFE might consider that are teaching solar PV, where it's a modelled installation. You've got the solar panel, you've got the DC side, you've got the AC, which is the grid, then you've got the inverter, and they can go in and do some tests to simulate what a real installation would be like without actually connecting to some external panel, yeah? What else do we have? We do have battery testers. So there's a lot of batteries being used in utilities, whether in mining, in like Telstra or Optus or any infrastructure that's critical will have lead acid or lithium batteries. And to verify them periodically, you need a battery tester. This unit is from Metrocell. I think it's about $5,000 or $6,000, and it's very compact, and it gives you a very detailed report about the performance and even predicts potential failures, upcoming failures with the battery. So I think as Emona Instruments, this is probably a small part of our business. We do 3D printers. We do every type of test equipment that an electrician or an engineer might use.